Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL debate tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to import and or restore MySQL database backup using the command line and using the graphical user interface just like a phpMyAdmin and Workbench. So using this, we can restore the MySQL database backup. Previous video, we have seen the how to export the MySQL database backup using command line and GUI and phpMyAdmin Workbench. So here import or restore database backup using command line. Okay. Here also import. So import or restore database backup using command line. So same. So in command line we can use two cases. First, in the command line I'll just write this code and you will restore the database. This is the command MySQL -u user root -p. I'll provide the password in the next step, and there is a this is the database name where I want to restore the database, and this is the path where I have a database backup, and here too I'm creating the log for the database backup. So first I will delete the database, or you can restore with the another name of the database. So here let me check with the command line. So cmd, the my database path is cd program files mysql bin. So MySQL, let me log in with database and let me check with the database list. So databases. So here we can able to see list of the databases are there. So I want to create one database. So create database Chirags. So let me use Chirag. So tables. We don't have any tables. We have empty set. So we don't have the table on now. So here I'll just restore the database with the using the command line. So I'm going to exit from that, and I'll just write a code to restore. So MySQL -u root -p, then my database name. So database name is Chirag and less than, and here I'll provide the path. So my path is where I have a database. So exported database is there in command line. I'll just go through the same, and here I'll just write the path. So and file name. So let me get the file name. So same file name I'm providing here, and then I want to create the log. So 2, and here I'll just keep the same code with the log, and here I'll just instead of import I'll provide the export. I provide the import, and just assume that I'll just give the name with the database that is not exist. So Chirag 1 is not exist. You can here the list of the databases. Chirag 1 is not exist. So I'm just trying with the Chirag 1. It will ask you the password. So completed. Now come to the folder. Here in log, import log, you can able to see the error 42,000 unknown database Chirag 1. So Chirag 1 database is not exist. Now I'll just connect with the correct database. or I'll create the Chirag one. So in the Chirags, I'm just importing the data, restoring the database. So completed. Now go to the log file and check. Log file is 0 now. So log file is overridden. So that is override the log file because I am using the same name. Now I am going to log in and test the database. Control MySQL -u root -p use Chirags. I know the database name, so directly I am using so tables. So all the 70 tables is created here. So now I'm going to drop the database Chirag. So database is drop now. So databases. So we don't have the Chirag database now. For the next import, I have to log into the database. I have already logged in. After that, I'm going to create with the database name. So create database, and there is a Chirag is my database. So database is created. So databases 33 is there. Chirag database is created. We don't have the data now. You can check with the command. So use Chirags. So tables. So tables. We don't have the database now. So second one is we can use the source command, source word, and we can give the path. It would automatically just restore the database to particular path. So this one copy, or you can type also. So this one like this. I have to write source and space. Then I have to give the SQL file path. So click on. So you can able to see query is okay, row affected this, and how many row is affected. You can in meanwhile you can check, see this 23,000 something, 4,000, 6,000, 7,000. It will work like that. Or this is completed. Now let me check with the show tables. See, all 70 tables are created now. Okay. So with using the command line, this two way we can import the database. Now I'm going to exit, and now next is using phpMyAdmin. Let me open the phpMyAdmin. So localhost colon 90. I'm running phpMyAdmin. 90 is my Apache port. So here user is root. I'm logged in. Chirag is there. I'm going to drop Chirag. Or I can import in another table also. So just assume that I'm going to create again Chirag. We don't have any tables. You can go to the structure. We don't have any tables. Okay. Here I'm going to import. So go to the import, select. So MySQL, this one MySQL export. Inside that folder we have a import phpMyAdmin export. So this is the export database is exported from phpMyAdmin. Same database I'm going to import from the folder. Okay. So double click, and here is the option import. So button. So import button. Whenever I will click, it will start running. So see that page is reloading. So wait for some time. It will import all the tables. So we have a large table. So bb patient the being uploaded, bin not available. Drag and drop file is any page. database size is someone is so import has been successfully finished. 511 query is imported. So you can able to see whenever we will click on Chirag, all 70 tables you can able to see. So this is the way we can import the database in phpMyAdmin. Again, I'm going to delete the same database and just assume that it is a new system. We have to create the database. I'm dropping the database. I have to create the database. So here I'll create. I have created Chirag, and now I'm going to import from the MySQL Workbench. So go to the MySQL Workbench, just log in. Login. There is a option data import or restore. So click on that. Import from the data dump folder. You can able to see in while exporting we have done the this one with the project folder, and second is with the self content file. So here I will go with the dump folder. So go there. Inside that we have a one folder wc export. On that all the tables I have exported in previous time. When was previous video we have exported the single table with the single table with the from the database. So that is a folder. I can select that. So here this is a schema Chirag. Chirag is selected. So in the Chirag it will import everything. Okay. And here the option. So only structure I want, only data I want. So like that we can import. So here we cannot create the dump data only because we don't have the structure. So we need the both structure and data. Now click on import. So 61 of 70 imported, 70 of 70 imported. Now you can able to check. Go to the your schema, Chirag, tables. All the tables will be available here. You can check with the phpMyAdmin also. Here you can all 70 tables are imported there. Now again I'm going to drop this database, and last we have to import from the. So I'm going to create again. So again I'm creating with the empty database. This is a new system. Just assume that, or old database I'm going to just delete that and go to the import, and import. Now you go to the import from the disk. Go to the import from and self content file. So here is the file. We have exported the single file that is inside the Workbench export. This is the file. You can select the target schema from here, or you can create the new schema. Both the way it will work. And here no need to change anything. I need the structure and data, both the thing. So click on import. So import is running. So import is successful. Now come to the Workbench and you can check all the 70 tables are imported successfully. So in this way we can import the database into the new database or existing database as per your requirement. So follow the process in the videos, whatever we did step by step, and please subscribe and like for the more videos, and don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Hope this will help.